Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily game capture your game. So all you want to do is when you're in the sources, just click plus, and then you want to do game capture. I will show you also a different way. When you add a source, what you want to do is mode, capture any full screen application, or capture specific window. Select option, and now you want to choose game, which you find here. Okay, this is okay. Scale resolution is when you have a full game. The most games are on 1090/20 to 1080 or 1280. So this is okay. What you want to do is capture cursor if you want it, but what I want to show you, sometimes what can happen is that your game capture won't capture your game because you will just see black screen like here. In that moment, what you want to do is the two things. There are actually two things how you can do that. The first option is go with the display capture, in which you are going to capture your display and have your game on a windowed mode. So this is the first option. When you have a game on a windowed mode, just go display picture and you will find it. But you need a strong computer for that, because also your FPS will drop. So this is the first thing. And another thing what you can do is when you're gonna click plus, just you can choose also window capture. Okay, window capture. And you can also choose a game through window capture. Try these two ways if you see black screen. So this is how you can do it. Thank you very much everybody, have a great day, and see ya. Have a great, amazing day, my friends.